Okay guys, here's the other thing that I do. As I'm working through I don't wear gloves because I want to find all these weeds. I want to get all the roots out. So you see that? So I'm going through my soil, and as I'm finding snails, I'm gathering them. Look at all these snails. Can you see those? I'm gathering them. And I am putting them in the green mile. I gotta get a new bucket. My other bucket is busted, but here's my temporary bucket. That's my green mile. I got my solution in there to kill the snails, the slugs, the grubs that are bad for the garden. They all go in there. And yeah, I'm just sifting through the dirt with my handy dandy garden spade and my hands. And that's how Momma Lori does it. Hope you guys getting out there getting dirty. Bye.